How do you get round slice and bake cookies? What can you do to prevent the dough from flattening on one side as you slice them? Also, for pinwheel cookies, how do you avoid the different colors of dough from smudging together? I like to use a food hack to keep the cookies round. Maybe you'll like it too. And there's a solution for keeping the colors separate too. The reason why I'm showing a paper towel here is to introduce the cardboard tube. I never throw away the empty cardboard tubes. They're very useful for this food hack. All I do is cut them lengthwise. I always have a few ready in my drawer. Now this is my cookie log. Because it is a very buttery dough, by the time the log is rolled, it becomes very soft. So I'm covering it with cardboard tubes. For this cookie, I use 3 of them to compensate for the large cookie diameter. I overlap the cardboard pieces and tightly secure with rubber bands. Instead of slicing the cookie log right away, it is better to put it in the fridge overnight. Without the support of the cardboard pieces, the log would flatten under its own weight. Keeping the dough in the refrigerator also prevents the different colors of dough from smudging together as you slice them. As you remove the cookie log from the refrigerator and remove the rubber bands, you'll notice it has hardened. However, with a consistency similar to butter, it isn't hard to slice at all. It also keeps its shape, and the colors stay separate. The best part is that you'll notice how nice and round the cookies are. This is all because of the cardboard pieces that are split tubes. Baked cookies are looking great and taste delicious. You can make them with different colors and flavors depending on your preferences. I like the pinwheel cookies more when the darker color is on the outside. The recipe for the dough is linked at the end of the video. Enjoy!